We have Tushar, class 9. K. Tanishq.
Yes.
Shreya.
Present, I'm here.
No, Tushar is not here.
Okay. Faraz.
Yes.
Balaji.
I'm present.
Shruti. Janvi.
Yes.
Adit.
Not here.
Don't.
Okay. Iti. Atharva. Sujal. Divyajot. Not here. Harsh. Ananya.
Yes, I'm here.
Class 11. Lavanya. Shivain. Arnav Anand. 11.
Yes, I'm here.
Madonna.
I'm here.
Aryan. Manan. Arush.
Yes.
Ishi Kalra.
Yep.
Mark. Okay, so instead of Farid, who did Jayashree ma'am send? Good afternoon, Mannat ma'am.
Hi, afternoon.
Okay, so shall we start since all teachers are here?
Please start, Shravan.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce our respected jury members. First of all, we have our very dear Madhuri ma'am, Mannat ma'am, Pankaj sir, and Archana ma'am. And I would also like to thank all of the spectators who have taken out time to come and listen to our the speeches of the contenders. I would like to give you some instructions before we begin. So I would request all of you to maintain the decorum. The private chats have been disabled. So the speeches are going to be for 2 minutes. And during the speeches, you are expected to write down your questions to whatever you want to ask to the concerned person and send it to me through chat. They should be written questions. And then once the speech is over and the judges are asking questions, I will select any 2 questions and give you the permission to ask the questions. So looking at the time limits, only 2 questions are allowed per contender. But if teachers allow, we may let you ask more questions. Other than that, 40 contenders, I would like to tell you that there are 5 areas where you would be given marks. Quality of content, then there is confidence of body language, response to questions, spontaneity, and oratory skills. Next, I would like to introduce our candidates. First, we have Yash Gurmukhani. Then we have Faria Azim, Archana Saha, and Suryansh Goel. Now, if teachers would like to give any instructions before we begin.
Not really any instructions. I think more or less they have an idea of how to go about it. Archana ma'am, Mannat ma'am, Pankaj sir, anything that you would want to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Or anything that
No,
ma'am you would want
they
to say
will
to the
start.
contestants? Yeah, I think good luck
Okay.
to the candidates. Yeah.
All the best. Yash, will you like to take over, please?
Yeah. Am I audible? Because I don't think the internet is stable.
Yes, that you are audible.
Okay, thank you. So leadership is based upon inspiration, not domination, on cooperation, not intimidation. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Yash Gurmukhani of class.
Yash, you are on mute. You will have to unmute yourself and start again.
Okay.
Yash, and also if you can switch your video on.
I'm sorry to interrupt you,
Yes.
Yash. It's good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And Yash, we also have points for confidence and body language. So you will have to be visible to us for that.
Ma'am, I will try, but because in the morning when I was having my classes, due to sometimes I just got disconnected because of internet. I'll try. So shall I start again?
Yes, please.
Leadership is based on inspiration, not domination, on cooperation, not intimidation. Good afternoon, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Yash Gurmukhani of class 11C, standing for the post of Vice Head Boy and Vice House Captain of Chevrolet House. So the question arises, why you should vote for me as a prefect? I could promise you a bunch of awesome things like 2 PT periods, less subject periods, etc. But you all are too smart for that. I believe our school is like a small plant. We all are different parts of that plant. For example, our teachers are the roots of those plants. We students are the beautiful. I would certainly be the manure to enrich that plant. Now, you would ask me, do I have some goals if I become a prefect? Yes, I do. So some of them are here. Firstly, I would work as a team with all the council members for the betterment of our school. Secondly, I would become the bridge between the students and the teachers and a lot more. The school has made me what I am today. And this is my opportunity to serve my school as well as my house. I think being a prefect isn't about being better than anyone else. It is about having the trust of student body to represent them. I have the compassion to listen and learn, the ability to do hard work as well as smart work. Hence, I think I could be a good prefect. At last, I would like to say, if you find me as a prefect candidate, then don't hesitate to vote for me. Once again, I am Yash Gurmukhani of class 11C, standing for the post of Vice Head Boy and Vice House Captain of Chevrolet. Thank you.
Thank you, Yash. Now I would like to move to the judges so that they can ask the questions.
We don't have to send the questions on chat, Shagun?
No, ma'am, you don't have to go to do.
Okay. So, yes, Mannat ma'am, I think
teachers can ask directly.
Okay. Yes, Mannat ma'am.
Good afternoon, Yash.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. So I was wondering, in the times of COVID-19 that we're going through, so suppose you have to monitor the situation from home. How are you going to provide leadership skills? How are you going to lead? Leading physically is different, but how do you plan to lead virtually?
Sorry, ma'am, but can you repeat your question? Your voice was breaking a lot.
Let's take the situation of COVID-19 to extend, suppose. So you will have to lead virtually. How would you plan, or how do you plan to lead your entire group virtually like this? Could you hear me, Yash? Yash, are you able to hear us?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get my
ma'am,
excuse me. Are you thinking?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got the question.
Okay.
No, ma'am. I am ready with the answer. I was wait.
Come on, continue. Go ahead.
Yes, sorry, ma'am. That So, ma'am, like as of now, also we are using the technology like Zoom classes, and for this elections also we are using the on technology. So I think I can also use this technology for the group discussions and for the like further how to handle the situations. Like we have WhatsApp and all, so that we could communicate easily. We could also use these Zoom meetings if we have any problem. So I think that would work.
Okay, I repeat my question. I wanted to ask you, how do you plan to lead using technology?
So, ma'am, like for example, if
but yeah.
So like for example, if we have a problem like not if I am not a prefect, for example, right now also, and if we have some like class problem, then we have a class group where we discuss and like find out the solution on our own. And similarly, I can do that with the council members or with the teachers and the other students. And I think we would be able to manage something to find out the solution for.
Okay, all right, okay.
Shagun, do we have a question from the students?
Yes, ma'am, we do. First, I would like to allow Tanish to ask his questions.
Hi, Yash. Yeah.
Hello.
So my question is that, as we know, being a prefect in 11th class is very like there's a lot of pressure on us. So could you please give me an example, like how? Tell me about you, how you have worked effectively under pressure.
Thanks for the question, Tanish. But I think I have the experience how to work under pressure as I have been in class 8. Yes, I know the pressure would be more in class 11th, but I think I would be able to handle my studies as well as my this post because you can say that it is my strength that I could manage the time doing multiple things.
Thank you, Yash. Now, Ishi, would you like to ask a question?
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Yash. First of all, that was an incredible speech. But I would like to ask you that I've noticed that sometimes you kind of have a temper and you tend to unintentionally take it out on whoever is working with you for a common goal. Don't you think that will somehow affect your leadership qualities for the house?
Actually, I wrote these weaknesses in my posture, and telling you the truth, yes, I have found the solution for my temper also. First of all, I do meditation for 2 to 5 minutes at home. But yes, if you would say that if it is a sudden situation, then there is a way. Like my teachers and my parents have also told me like you could count from 20 to 1, and really it works. It's not the joke, but it works. So I think I would be able to control, and it won't hamper my post.
Thank you.
Shagun, can we go to the next candidate now? How many questions are you going to take?
Ma'am, teachers have no restrictions for questions. For the audience, there are 2 minimum questions.
Okay. So, Archana ma'am, Pankaj sir, any question that you would want to ask Yash? Or can we move to the next candidate?
I can.
Please go ahead, Archana.
हाँ, यश, बहुत
ma'am.
बार ये देखा गया है कि बच्चों को ये लगता है कि ये बड़ी अच्छी प्रेस्टिजियस पोस्ट है, तो अगर आपने ये ले लिया तो आप काफी फेमस हो जाओगे, ठीक है? बट फाइनली क्या होता है, जब आपको ये पोस्ट मिल भी जाती है तो कई बार आपको ये लगता है कि नहीं, आपका स्टडीज में फोकस कम हो रहा है, तो आप स्टडीज की तरफ ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं रादर देन योर ड्यूटीज. देन हाउ विल यू मैनेज ऑल दीज थिंग्स?
मैम, स्टडीज की तरफ मैम ध्यान होता है, और मैम मैं यही सोचता हूँ कि मैम लाइक एक इंसान को सिर्फ पढ़ाई हाँ मैम इम्पोर्टेंट होती है, बट देयर आर मेनी अदर थिंग्स दैट अ पर्सन कैन डू. हम स्कूल में सिर्फ एकेडमिक्स के लिए नहीं मैम, हमारे और भी जैसे मैम जैसे सबसे मीटिंग करना, कॉन्फिडेंस बनाना मैम, तो मेरे ख्याल से मैम वो सारी एबिलिटीज हमें स्कूल में सिखाई जाती हैं. और मैम ये हमें एक स्कूली अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है कि हम अपना मतलब अपने आप को दिखा सकें. पढ़ाई मैम एक तरीका है, बाकी मैम हम अगर चाहें तो हम 2-3 चीजें एक साथ कर सकते हैं मैम. हम गेम जैसे कुछ बच्चे गेम्स में अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ बच्चे पढ़ाई में भी अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन मैम सिर्फ पढ़ाई करते रहेंगे तो मैम सिर्फ हम एक ही चीज सीख सकते हैं. मेरा ये मानना है. अगर खेलते रहेंगे तो खेल ही सब सीख सकते हैं। इससे अच्छा मैम हमें सब कुछ मिलके करना चाहिए जिससे हम एक अच्छे इंसान बन सकें।
तो अगर कल को आपका आपकी इस
Yes,
पोस्ट की वजह से आपके ग्रेड्स डाउन होते हैं तो आपको कोई दुख तो नहीं होगा?
यस मैम। मैम पहले तो मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा कि ग्रेड्स कम ना हो। अगर फिर भी मैम अगर थोड़ा सा वो पड़ता है तो मैम मैं अपनी पढ़ाई पे जरूर ज्यादा ध्यान दूंगा, पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं होगा कि मैं अपनी ड्यूटी छोड़ दूंगा। स्कूल में अपनी ड्यूटी निभाऊंगा, घर पर आके जितना टाइम अगर थोड़ा कम हो सकता है बाकी चीजों पे तो मैं वो करके अपनी पढ़ाई पे ज्यादा ध्यान दे दूंगा।
Okay, all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pankaj sir, do you have a question?
Yeah, I wanted to ask Yash.
Yes.
What do you think? Why do you think that you are the right choice for this post?
Sir, I think I'm the right choice for these posts because first of all, I have an experience because I have been prefect for 2 times, like in 4th class and 8th class. I know it is different in class 11th, but still that experience would help me. Secondly, I think I am responsible, punctual, which is very important for these posts, and I could also inspire others.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next.
We can have the next candidate now, Fariha Azim.
Can we move to the next candidate?
Shagun, you will have to switch off your video when you speak because there's a lot of lag there. So I think I'll call Fariha Azim now.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yes, Fariha, where are you? And you can start, my dear.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I've learned that people forget what you said. People forget what you did, but will never forget how you made them feel. Good afternoon, everyone present here. I'm Fariha Azim from Satpura House, contesting for the post of Vice Head Girl and Vice Sports Captain. Respected judges and audience, we all are like flowers, waiting for the right opportunity to blossom. We all may not be of the same kind, but each of us has his own beauty and fragrance that attracts people. But there are two kinds of people. The one is to lead and the other is to be led. The one who leads is not someone who forcibly guides people, but respects others and then leads. At the same time, he or she has to experience joy as well as sorrow. However, he or she is smart enough to manage them. I assure you that I will be able to manage both with utmost sincerity and consistency. Let me tell you that I've always been an inspiration to my fellow classmates who didn't take much interest in studies as well as extracurricular activities. I've also been marked by my teachers as the backbone of the class. Now I will talk about the 3 R's. The first is reach. It will be my priority to create opportunities for everyone to display their skills and talents. So let us strive to reach to our full potential. The second is respect. This is important because we live in a world where all of us have become self-centered. In this context, I would like to create an environment where everyone is given due respect. The third is relationship. As you know, we have become too selfish that we do not care for others. So it will be one of my priorities to provide an environment where everyone has a good relation with others and countless memories to cherish. This I've done with all my heart. Now it is your turn to respond to this. Lastly, I want to conclude with a famous Urdu couplet. मैं अकेला ही चला था, जानिबे मंजिल मगर, लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. So please come forward and join me to make a vibrant Karwa of St. Mary's Student Council. Thank you.
Any questions? Mannat ma'am, Pankaj sir, Archana ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Can I? Okay. Pankaj sir, you start.
Okay. Fariha, what have you learned from your seniors and what qualities will you add if you are selected for this post?
Sir, I've learned from my seniors that how to be respectful, how to respect your juniors, how to be friends with them, and how to put trust in each other. And if I am selected for this post, the qualities that I would like to add, is it talking about me, or the
About you.
qualities that I will add in myself? The qualities that I will add in myself is being I'm already approachable to people. So there's nothing else that I would like to add, because I have already some qualities that are for this, that are good for, that are eligible for this post.
Learning can never be ended, Fariha. You have always to be ready to learn more new things. Okay.
I will.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Mannat ma'am.
So, Fariha, like you said, once you get a certain stature or a leadership status, it's not an easy job. So, I'm sure you might face certain disagreements with your co-workers or your fellow people around, or people you're leading. So, how do you plan to work on these disagreements? What's your plan of action to handle disagreements from other people?
The best way is to talk with each other, and I, being resilient, take decisions based on the other people's opinions as well, keeping in mind the time, space, and opportunity. So it's I may disagree, but we can talk to each other, and we can find out the solution which is the best.
Okay, all right.
Thank you, Mannat ma'am. Are there any other questions from the teachers?
Aduri ma'am, you can ask.
Archana ma'am, you don't want to ask?
No, you will
Okay,
ask.
I'll ask. Okay, thank you, ma'am. My dear Fariha, you spoke about relationships, in your presentation. So, how have you nurtured relationships in the school in all these years? Can you give me one instance where you have nurtured a relationship and it has come back to you in a beautiful way?
Yes, ma'am. The best way is my friendship, because even if my friends have so many friends that have left the school, they still remember me, and they still have made many possibilities to contact me, and it is the best relationship that I have nurtured as a friend, and it has never ended, and it's been growing stronger as years pass by.
All right. Thank you, Fariha. Shagun, can we call the next candidate? Oh, sorry, the student's question.
Student's question.
Student's question.
Questions. Shreya, will you ask your question?
Thank you, Didi. Hi, Fariha Didi. So my question towards you is that you said in your speech that we all are flowers, right? So, but I think that all flowers shrivel at a point of time, and this is not the will of the flower whether it will shrivel earlier or later, but it depends upon its surroundings. So how do you think these surroundings will affect you?
Fariha, can you hear us? Fariha? I think she lost connection. Should we move on to the next candidate? And if she rejoins, we can ask the audience to ask
Absolutely.
questions.
I think that's a better idea. We move to the next candidate and then we'll come back to her.
The next candidate is Archana Saha. Archana, please take over.
Thank you, Shagun.
Okay. A very good afternoon to everyone present here. I am Archana Saha of class 11B and I'm standing before you for the post of Vice Head Girl. Shoot for the moon and you'll land among the stars. I could have chosen any leadership quote to begin my speech with, but I think this quote in particular just shows us what the school has taught me. I've been given various opportunities to learn and grow, and it has taught me that there is no substitute to hard work and determination. Now, I can stay organized and manage my work well. I can sit back, be a listener, but I am not hesitant to express my opinions when I have to. Fortunately, our school is a very inclusive school and it is a very safe and secure environment to learn and grow. And I think this has taught me empathy. I can slip into people's shoes and walk in them. I am compassionate, and saying all of this, I have also realized my flaws. I can be very anxious when I have to wait for something, and I can be extremely stubborn when I have to prove a point. But all of these things I just haven't realized out of the blue. This has been through active participation in the smallest of activities, the smallest of opportunities the school has given me. I have been class monitor, I've written reports for the class, I have been a part of the script writing committee for my house since I was in 7th grade. I have been an actor in school plays, and I have even been a prefect in class 8. All in all, I just want to say that this has given me the perspective and the skill set a head girl needs. At last, I would like to say that being in the student council will help me not only help others, but also bridge the gap between teacher and student. You all have been a very patient audience. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak.
Question by the teachers. Any questions from the teachers?
Yes.
Yes, Archana ma'am.
Yes. अर्चना,
Yes,
बेटा आपको पता है हमारे स्कूल में एक चैरिटी फंड कलेक्ट होता है हर फ्राइडे, बट मोस्टली ये नोट किया गया है कि जब तक बच्चों को बोला ना जाए वो लाते नहीं है अपने आप से, मतलब उनमें एक ये हैबिट नहीं आ रही है, तो आप इसको प्रमोट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे एज अ हेड गर्ल?
Yes, ma'am. I think, ma'am, as a student, being in the student body, honestly, मुझे भी बहुत बार लगा है कि ये फ्राइडे फंड हम दे क्यों रहे हैं, because हमें तो, I mean, I know it is going for a good cause, but I don't know how it is going for a good cause. तो obviously थोड़ा hesitation होता है, and for this, I think इसको थोड़ा और transparent करना चाहिए. I know the school is doing everything it can, but अगर थोड़ा और transparency हो, then लोग खुद ही समझ जाएंगे क्यों. Like I said, हमारा school एक बहुत inclusive school and it's a very secure environment. And I think being a little more transparent will help it grow even more.
किस तरह की ट्रांसपेरेंसी आप चाहते हो?
Ma'am, वैसे I don't know, I'm sure, but then if Koshi ma'am frequently talks to children about it, and maybe she shows them how she's doing it, who she's giving the money to, and because trust and transparency cheez hai, I mean, when you get that, then there is no hesitation. So as a student, this is what I feel would help expand the Friday Fund more.
बट आपकी साइड से क्या एफर्ट होगा?
Yes, ma'am, I would help bridge the gap between student and teacher here. यहाँ पर जो स्टूडेंट को क्वेश्चंस है इस फंड से रिलेटेड, या फिर टीचर्स को जो लग रहा है कि बच्चे नहीं दे रहे हैं, क्यों नहीं दे रहे हैं, I will try to bridge the gap. I will try to help student and teacher bond here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mannat ma'am, you have a question? Mannat ma'am, Pankaj sir. Yes, Mannat
Can I
ma'am.
go?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So, actually, very impressive to hear how you used the word empathy and all that in your speech and bridging the gap between teachers and students. Well, while Archana, you'll bridge the gap, I'm sure there will be criticism that you hear from both ends. How do you plan to handle criticism, or how do you feel you will take the criticism?
Ma'am, all my life, like I've mentioned in my speech, I've participated in a lot of things and I've got a lot of criticism. And I don't take it in a bad way. I try to work on it. If it's something that I feel that I am doing wrong or something that needs improvement, then I'm more than ready to work on it. I don't feel anything negative when people come up to me with ideas or when people tell me where I'm going wrong. And I think that's one of the reasons that being a head girl would really be, in my court.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pankaj sir, you have a question for Archana?
Madhuri ma'am,
Archana.
Madhuri ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Getting disconnected. Ask the children to rejoin. It's 38.
I think Shagun has upgraded it and it said that it is going to go for unlimited time. Shagun?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then no problem.
Yeah,
If it
yeah.
is
So
happening, then you inform the children to be on the same.
Yeah,
page.
yeah, yeah. It will go on unlimited. Yeah, it will go unlimited now. Yeah. Yes, Pankaj sir, please ask your question.
Yeah. Archana, how will you handle the pressure of responsibilities and the academics side by side?
Sir, I have done this before, and I wouldn't have stood for this position if I was not sure that I'll be able to handle academics and the other work. But saying that, I'm sure there will be challenges, and I'm ready to take them up. I can manage my time well, and I'm sure that is a skill that will help me prioritize and do my work efficiently.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Archana. If there are no more questions from the teachers, Madhuri ma'am, would you like to ask?
I don't have any question. I just have a lovely observation about Archana's speech, which was that she started with the moon and the star, quote. And very gladly now we can actually see a lot of stars in the sky. I don't know whether to thank the pandemic or not, but that's one observation that I think everybody is able to make. So I have no questions for you, Archana. I think you all are doing very well. So students we can have the student questions now. Shagun.
Thank you, ma'am. Yash, please ask your question.
Archana, it was a good speech. So my question to you is, last year when we were having our house day, you didn't participated because of the class 10 studies and board exams. So that time you didn't have any duty also, but then how can you assure that in class 11 and even in class 12 when we have the most important papers, you would be able to handle your duty as well?
Well, Yash, that is quite a question. Thank you very much. But I would like to say something here. I tried to participate. I participated till I thought that I could do it. I tried to help with script writing. I know it was in the beginning and I know you have done a lot more, but that is the reason I'm not standing for house captain and I'm standing for head girl. So I did my work until I thought I could do no more, and then I focused on studies. I know it's less. I know it's you've done much more. But again, that is why I'm standing for head girl and not house captain like you are.
So, do you think, Archana, Jayshree ma'am, this side, do you think that head girlship has less amount of work and house captain has got more work to do? Is that because of that you didn't go for the house captaincy and standing for the head girl?
Ma'am, I absolutely think that a house captain has much more work, and this is because I've seen the house captains previously. They work constantly, and you have to have a certain rapport with the students here. And this is not the kind of rapport that teacher and student or head girl and student have, but it's about trust. It's about inspiration, and I think a head girl can do that too. But a house captain has much more to give there. So it will be a bit difficult for house captain and head girl, but obviously a house captain has a lot of other things to also worry about.
Okay.
Thank you, Jayashree ma'am. Now we have a question from our head girl, Vaishnavi. Please go for.
Hi Arjuna, your speech was very nice. I really liked it.
Vaishnavi, I just want to know, as head girl, please tell her, what are the challenges?
If you think that the head girl, the head position does not have much work, it's just that we do so much of the background work. You don't really see us at the front. You know, you see house captains giving these big speeches.
Absolutely true.
Around everywhere. But everything behind that is the heads and the coordinators. Everything, all the organization, making schedules, lists. It's like, it's a whole other world, first of all. Second, my question is, you know, last year as head girl and with the house day and everything, I faced a lot of difficulty, you know, delegating work and being assertive. I'm the kind of person who wants things done in a particular way, and when I don't get it, I get really jittery. I get very concerned by aise nahi ho raha, waise nahi ho raha. So how do you think you can be assertive when it comes to your own council? You know, students and all of that is fine, but when it comes to the student council itself, a lot of times some people, you know, are not able to do work, or you don't think they're doing enough work to match their capability. How do you think you can bring your whole council together and make everyone do work?
Thank you for the question, Vaishnavi. I mean, I think I didn't get my point across properly. I never said that the head girl does not have work. They do have work, but it is, I'm sure, like you said, it is more background work. And I think I'm perfect for that. Like what I meant to say with house captain was that it is a completely different thing. And you need a completely different set of skills for it. And the head girl needs a completely different skill for it. So that's that. And to answer your question, like I said, I don't hesitate when I have to say something. Whatever's on my mind, I say. And I think that is the way I have participated in so many things. I've given so many speeches and everything. And that is how I'm going to try to put the council together. And obviously dialogue and communication is a big thing. Unless and until you tell the person what you think is going wrong and what you think should be better, they won't know. And I know the importance of that.
Thank you. Thank you, Archana. I would like to move on to the next candidate, Suryansh Goel. And before that, I would also like to tell everyone that since Faria missed her questions earlier, she would be getting 2 audience questions after Suryansh has covered his speech and questions.
Am I audible?
Suryansh, please take over. Yes.
Okay. Shall I start now? It was not long ago when I was giving a speech in the same manner at the Inter-House Science Symposium. The only difference was that I was in my physical form, while now you see me virtually. Oh wait, there is one more difference that has to be made today. That day I lost, but today I'm going to try very hard to make that my last losing experience. A very good afternoon to everyone present here. I stand before you as a candidate for the school's vice head boy and vice house captain of Ajanta House. If you elect me as your head boy, I assure you, I will work hard for your betterment on your behalf. The opportunity of being a prefect in class 8 honed my leadership qualities. Being a prefect also gave me a chance to work for 2 houses, which gave me more experience of leadership qualities. I have been a scholastic badge holder and a stripe holder for the past 5 years, which gives me the experience on how to manage my academics as well as my responsibilities. Talking about my strengths and weaknesses, honesty, hard work, and optimism are my key qualities. Being short-tempered and emotional are my weaknesses. And over the years, I have worked on my anger management and taking rightful decisions even in the hard times. Now, what would I do if I become a vice head boy? First of all, I would coordinate with the citizen empowerment prefect so that everyone contributes to the betterment of the society, and conduct a meeting with those who are not willing to contribute and listen to their reasons. As a vice house captain, I would try to be very approachable to all of you and be able to solve your queries. And now I ask you for your help and support so that I enter the student council and become your voice to the school. Let us begin this journey today of making the school the very best it can be. In the end, I would like to say a few lines. शाम ही सूरज को ढलना सिखाती है, क्षमा परवाने को जलना सिखाती है, गिरने वाले को होती तो है तकलीफ, पर ठोकर ही इंसान को चलना सिखाती है. Thank you everyone for spending your valuable time listening to me. Once again, this is Suryansh Goel, standing for the post of Vice Head Boy of the school and Vice House Captain of Ajanta House. Thank you.
Thank you, Suryansh. Teachers, please, would you like to ask any questions?
Mannat ma'am, Archana ma'am, Pankaj sir. Okay, I'll start with the question then. Sorry, yeah, please go ahead.
No, ma'am, please, you, please start. No problem.
एक ही बात है अर्चना मैम, आप पूछो, मैं ऐसा कुछ
बिल्कुल यार, बिल्कुल.
Okay, Suryansh, I felt you were reading from somewhere. I felt that you had a paper in front of you, and then I found you to be reading. Okay, anyway. Yeah, go ahead. You want to say something about that?
Ma'am, I learned it, then spoke it, ma'am. I didn't read.
Okay, I maybe my bad. I felt that. So Suryansh, you ended also on a with a shade, a very beautiful shade it was. But somewhere I felt that you have been you haven't achieved what you have tried to achieve in so many years, or you've not been able to perform as well as you had prepared to or planned to perform. Has that really hurt you in the past somewhere, and you're really trying desperately? And what will happen if you're not selected as this Vice Head Boy or Vice House Captain? What happens then?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, when I was in class 8, ma'am, being a prefect was my only goal at that time. And when I became a prefect, ma'am, I was really happy. So because I got to work for the school and give back what the school taught me, ma'am. So in 11th class, I also try to do the same thing. But if I don't become a prefect or like a vice house captain or a vice head boy, I will not stop working for the school and taking part in every thing the school organizes. I will feel a little bad that I was not able to get selected, but I will not stop.
Yes, Archana ma'am.
Yes, Suryansh. क्या किसी लीडर का होने के लिए उसको स्टडीज में अच्छा होना कंपल्सरी है?
नो मैम, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि अगर कोई लीडर है तो उसको पढ़ाई में होना अच्छा होना जरूरी है मैम, बट बस अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज और ड्यूटीज एंड एकेडमिक्स को हैंडल करना अच्छे से आना चाहिए, जो कि मैंने 8th क्लास में भी सीखा है और 4th क्लास में भी सीखा था जब मैं आई वाज अ प्रीफेक्ट इन क्लास 4.
ओके, तो आपके हिसाब से सबसे पहली क्वालिटी क्या होनी चाहिए एक लीडर की?
मैम फर्स्ट क्वालिटी एक लीडर की होनी चाहिए मैम, अकाउंटेबिलिटी, जो हम एक दूसरे से बात कर सकें, मतलब अपने पीयर्स से, अपने स्टूडेंट काउंसिल से और अपनी सीनियर काउंसिल से और सारे टीचर्स से, ताकि सबके सजेशंस लेकर हम एक और अच्छी चीज हम कर सकें स्कूल में और स्कूल के लिए.
ओके, थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, can we move on to the audience questions?
Mannat
ma'am has a question.
So, hello Suryansh, that was a very wonderful speech that you gave. But however, I've been tracking every student's eye movement, eyeball movement, and also somewhere I also felt maybe you were looking at something, and probably it was matching with the pace I was listening to you at. But that could be again my bad. But that was something that even I felt was happening. However, my question to you is that can you think or narrate any time when you have been of a help by solving a problem for any of your friends or classmates or juniors? Can you think of any incident?
Ma'am, once it so happened that my friend was in a fix that whether he should, like in class 8, whether he should apply for the council posts or not. Ma'am, so I told him that listen to both your mind and heart, and think what you can do if you become a prefect or if you don't become a prefect. Ma'am, the first thing is participation. If you win or lose, that doesn't matter. First of all, you have to participate. That's the main thing. Ma'am, I told him that, and he took part. Unfortunately, he didn't become a prefect, but he enjoyed the whole process of campaigning.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
Okay, Tanishq, please ask your question.
Hi, Suryansh Bhaiya. So my question to you is that, like, as you know, that Yash Bhaiya is also standing for the same position, like for the position of the prefect. So imagine if he is, I don't know if he's your friend, but if he's your friend and he's also at the same position at like which you are going to. So how will you feel about that? And tell us any one quality about Yash Bhaiya you think will make you choose him. You think will make us choose him over you.
Thank you for the question, Tanish. He's my very good friend, and now he's a competitor too, worthy competitor. So I think he is also a good option over me because first of all, he's honest and he tries to be connected to people. So I will feel happy for him if he becomes the head boy, and feel bad if he doesn't, as a friend.
Suryansh, I have a question for you. So you just now said Yash is very vocal, and do you think that you lack in that quality?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Ma'am, it's not that I am not vocal and I don't interact much with people around me, but it's just that he participated in class 10th also in house day, and he participated in every event that the house and the school organizes, and I am very selective about what I have to do and what I don't. It is also I respect my duties according to the time I'm facing and what it's going in my life at that time.
So as you said, you are selective. Then after becoming head boy also or a house captain, will you be selective in doing your work?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, as we know that duties and responsibilities change after we become after we are elected to a post, ma'am. So my selectiveness will also go away because I have to like encourage more and more people. So I have to also take part in many things so that people see me and then go into these things of participation.
So you want to be a role model. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So thank you, Jayashree ma'am. And we have questions from students. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Sanya, do you want to ask your question?
So, Suryansh, my question to you is that you mentioned in your speech that your main aim is to serve the school. And in one of the questions, you said that you can do that without even holding this position. And just now, you clearly mentioned that even your worthy opponent, don't want to name that person, is more capable than you are. So, what do you think? Why should we vote for you if you yourself think that you're less capable than your opponent and you can serve the school without even getting that position?
Suryansh, can you hear us?
Has he disconnected? Has he gotten disconnected, Shagun? Can you see him in the participants list?
No, ma'am. I think
no,
he
even
has
I can't see.
got disconnected.
He's there.
Even I can't see.
He's there, but video is not there.
Yeah. He's there. He's not disconnected. Suryansh?
Suryansh? Hello.
Same
Um,
happens in post around
I
as well.
think
Actually.
Shagun, the student questions for Fariha can be asked.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Faria, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Shreya, please continue with your question first.
Faryadi, my question to you was that you mentioned in your speech that we are all flowers, and I wanted to say that all flowers shrivel at a point of time, and it is not the will of the flower who decides when it will shrivel. It depends upon the surroundings that when the flower is going to shrivel. So, how do you think the surroundings are going to affect you?
Talking about the surroundings, I am a person who rarely gets affected by the surroundings, and I stand to my point and don't hesitate to take my steps, and I keep in mind the surroundings as well, but rarely get affected by them. So being a flower, we get shriveled, but we cannot just we cannot just end our hopes there. We have to stand to our point, and we have to fight till the last moment, and just not get affected by the surroundings, because they will be harsh, they will be sometimes beautiful, but we have to stand as we are, and we just cannot let everything happen against our will.
Shreya, does that answer your question?
Pretty much, yes.
Okay. Okay, Faria, I have a question for you. Since due to the lockdown, we are having online classes. The whole meaning of the the school system has changed. So, in this time, so what do you think could be the changes as a student council member? Because we are all talking about bringing changes, conducting activities, making the school a new place. With the virtual school taking place, what are the changes that you would like to bring? Since you have attended the online classes, I believe, for 1 or 2 weeks now.
Thank you for your question. Regarding the online classes and the online virtual school that is going on these days, it's a tough time that we are going through, but there are connectivity issues, and as a student council member, if I would be a student council member, we will how will I organize can you just repeat the second question you asked?
What are the changes that you would like to bring about in the virtual school system?
See, it's a virtual system that we cannot bring such big changes because physical being in physical interaction, we have a greater impact. But as far as the virtual world is concerned, I will try to be more approachable to people, even more approachable to people, and and that's it that we can do in this hard time, being approachable to others.
Okay, thank you, Haria. We have one last question for you from Yamini. Yamini, would you
Sorry,
like
Shagun. Sorry to interrupt you. I think in all other groups, the speech round is over. And we had decided on only one question from the students. So I think let's stick to that. I hope nobody minds this, because we've had enough questions.
Is he planning to come back?
Suryansh has come back, ma'am. Yeah. So Sanya had to ask a question to Suryansh. Suryansh, did you hear the question, what Sanya asked you?
No, ma'am, I got disconnected.
Okay, so Sanya, can you repeat your question? Has Sanya left?
Now the other one is left.
Yeah, so anybody else who has a question for Suryansh?
Ma'am, I have one.
Yes, please, Akriti.
Who's that I?
Akriti has a question.
Akriti.
Akriti, keep the microphone a little away from your mouth.
So I wanted to ask Suryansh Bhaiya that if he is the prefect and his friend has done something wrong, how will he overcome emotions and punish him or her?
Excuse me, Akriti, can you please repeat your question?
Of course. I asked that if you are the prefect and your friend has done something wrong, how will you overcome your emotions and punish him or her? Because in your speech you had told us that one of your weakness is being emotional.
Thank you for the question, Akriti. You are very right that I said I am emotional, but I also mentioned that I have tried to take a rightful decision at hard times. So on the basis of that, I would punish him or her or take appropriate action against him or her, just like I will do with everybody else.
Thanks for asking.
So I think Jayashree ma'am, we are done with the questions and the speeches. And very well done by the audience as well as the speakers, and excellent job by the student council members. Very well planned and coordinated, excellently organized. I have to say that.
All the groups thing all went on smoothly.
Yeah,
Thank
very
you very
smoothly,
much. Well done.
very well planned.
Job done.
And individually, ma'am, the teachers are going to mail the result sheet to Pushpinder ma'am and Vaishali ma'am. So thank you, Pushpinder ma'am. I see her also in the group. And thank you, everybody.
Thank
you, everyone. Thank you, Shagun.
Thank you, everyone, taking out time. Thank you so much.
Shagun, good job done. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you.